And so this is bolted down right now, correctly installed. We have pretty much a 1.5 ton crane scale here, and it's gonna help us measure how much force is gonna be able to withstand, and we're gonna pull it with our work truck over here. So we have pulled this all the way back, and our system has finally failed. And this is how many kilograms that of force that is withstand before it rips off. We're on peak hold right now, and it's at 215 kilograms. And as we can see, it does just about 500 pounds of force that it can withstand. And this hold up really nicely because the top rail didn't come apart at all. This whole structure is still overly here. If you look at the base plate, the whole system actually did not come out. It bent it over here. You can see on the back over here, it bent it on both sides. But overall, everything held in place. In fact, you'll see in the picture over here that the side facing the truck is actually still connected to the metal here. What failed is not actually the weld, but instead is the metal itself. So the weld actually held just perfectly fine, and that's what will typically give out first. So this is a great test, and this whole system holds just about 500 pounds of force.